Okay, I just wanted to do a quick review on the Mac Afric inverter generator I got from Adendorff Machinery Mart. I believe this is a 1.8 kilowatt. It's actually quite cool. I'm happy with it. Had it for a couple of months now. It's portable, not that heavy. This side here, we obviously have our plug point. We have ESC throttle, which basically is a fuel saver. So what will happen is when the generator starts, it revs high. If it's not under load, it'll be on its maximum revving capacity. If you switch this on, the revs will drop down considerably, which obviously is a fuel saver. Yeah, this will shine green for your output. If it's overload, it's red. Your oil light will come on. I believe the machine will shut down as well if the oil is low. Don't forget, these are shipped with no oil, so do not attempt to start it without putting oil in. What else? Yeah, we've got off, on, and we've got choke. So when we start it, obviously we're going to put it on choke. Straight from choke, I then put it onto on. It'll rev high, and then I switch the fuel saver on to on, and then you'll notice the revs drop down. Here is USB ports if you want to charge phones or USB power banks or what have you. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, on the top we have I think it's an air vent or something for the fuel. So yeah, currently it's on off. We'll switch that onto on. There's your little fuel gauge. You can see how much fuel is in there. I think it's about a 4 liter tank or something. So yeah, let's put this on to choke. Let's try pull this with one hand without it falling over. Foot on it, yeah. There we go. And then I immediately put it onto on. You might notice the revs are high, and then once I switch that onto on, you can hear the revs drop down. I don't know if you'll be able to see from the camera, but it's showing 234, 35 volts. It's very quiet. Yeah, not loud at all. Then to switch it off, simply off. That's it, straightforward. Quite nifty little thing.